opportunity to explore the same. However, I'm mindful of the charges the accused persons are facing, and I'm also mindful of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for the possible withdrawal under the provisions of Section 121 of the MCA. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I'll proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode, and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons have provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by the state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. A2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused persons. I find the sureties for A2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within Machinje division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. The conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, non-cash. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media, as such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter of confirmation, 13 if you are married. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
Court ewulidde bye mwogedde nti muli kutabagana wabula amateeka gakirambika bulungi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa nti temusobola kutabagana butabaganyi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwabi wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino gibagibwako mu butongole ng'amateeka bwe gakirambika. Ku nsonga ya beiro, kkooti egambye nti kkooti bwe banga egenda oba okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo eky'enkalakalira mwabeera, ajja kusobola okudda mu kkooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abayima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omuyima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwabi wa gavumenti teyawakanya bayima abo, era kkooti nayo ekizudde nti baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Obuvunaanibwa obwokubiri yaleeta mwannyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde ng'omuwabi wa gavumenti yawakanya abayima bano ababiri, kkooti y'ekizudde nti bano babadde emikwano gye okumala ebbanga ddene, era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kkooti ekkiriza okusaba kw'okweyimirirwa ku bukwakkulizo buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango ogubavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu mubuliwo ababeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu oba n'okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga. Oyo yenna ayagala ofuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa okuva eri kooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera singa ekyo kooti enakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa kubalumba. Singa kooti ena yakizuula okweyimirwa kwamwe kujja sazibwamu. Obukwakulizo obwo nga bumaze obutuukiriza omusango gujja kudda mu kooti nga 13 January omwaka ogujja. Rana Patrick alias Allen Smith.
You are free. This matter is done. Your lawyer will inform me on its own. 13. You can see. Let me have Mubiu Salim. Great Space Media, I need Mubiu Salim on the door.
I'm still journalist.
So my condition for PW was I need the victim report. You are not being serious in this matter, and I will adjourn the matter.
Your worship, if I may.
My condition for PW, I was very specific. I need the victim report.
Your worship, if I may. The victim had promised that he's going to be here in the morning.
Has anyone gotten in touch with him?
Yes, and the father, your worship. But they are playing hard to get. I don't know why.
Your worship, I think the other time,
Let's address formally.
yes.
Yes, you the representation is Mugabe Silas, Taima, Mitala Peter Williams, Simon Peter.
Chidi was Simon Peter, your worship.
Shakira,
Your second name?
Shirona Farouk, Wambi Andrew, and then Precious. They all represent the Christmas. This matter,